subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After the successful launch of Asus ROG Phone 2, now the company is reportedly gearing up to launch the successor of it as ROG Phone 3. Recently, a new Asus gaming phone was spotted on Chinese certification site TINA, which is believed to be ROG Phone 3. The listing reveals the key specifications along with the renders of the upcoming phone. According to TINA listing, the Asus ROG Phone 3 will support a 6.59-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, the phone is listed to come powered by an unnamed octa-core 3.091 GHz processor, which is expected to be Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. The smartphone will pack with 8, 12 or 16 GB of RAM and 128, 256 or 512 GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the ROG Phone 3 will feature a horizontally aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA cameras will include a 64 megapixel primary camera along with the 13 megapixel secondary camera, but the third camera details were not revealed. And at the front, it will have 13 megapixel selfie camera. The battery capacity of the phone will be 6000 mAh, that is expected to support 30 watts fast charging. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is listed to measure at 171 by 78 by 9.85 mm and it will weigh around 240 grams. Additionally, the smartphone is expected to run on Android 10 and it will support 5G network. Now, talking about the release date. At present, Asus has not revealed the launch of its upcoming gaming phone, but according to latest report, it is expected to launch by end of July. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Asus ROG Phone 3, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.